Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dear Life. Had it ever happened with you that you are thinking to give the solution to the customer but you failed because you was unable to handle the objection? Yes, this happened with many of us. Hi, my name is Pankaj Sharma. In this video, in this series of videos, I'll be sharing with you how to become successful in sales. So remember here, if you handle the query of the customer, or if you are in the position to handle the objection of the customer, and that gives you the sense of satisfaction and the happiness that you fulfill the query and the question of the customer, and that's possibly be one of the things to win over the customer and to achieve your objective, and that is called your sales. So let me share with you in this video what are the keys to success to handle the objections. So first and foremost important thing here in the process of handling the objection of the customer, and that's the key to success in the business of sales, is knowing about your brand, knowing about your solution. So first of all, remember here the profile of the customer. So say for example in the insurance industry or pharma industry, profiling is the most important thing. In profiling you should know about the complete detail about the customer, and according to the profile of the customer you can think about the probable and possible objections. So this customer may buy product from me or may not buy product from me. So what are the different type of whys are there which may possibly come from the customer? So first of all, listing down as per the profile of the customer, and in the profile important thing is what is the financial status of the customer, or what is the mindset of the customer, degree and the qualification of the customer, what is his family status of the customer, and that's possibly help you to list down the important possible objections which may come during the interaction and the visit to the customer. So that's the first important thing which should come into your mind, strike into your mind, that you list down the possible objection, and always to win over the possible objection, write down below each and every objection what could be the possible absolutely right answers. So to know the right answers, important thing is know about your brand, know about your company, know about yourself. So it is always better know about the competition also. So when you know about all those things, you will be better in the position to handle the objection whenever you are actually there in front of the customer. So whenever you are going to meet the customer, do this listing of the possible objections, and in each and every objection what could be the best answers, the best reply which you can give to the customer, and that's keep your customer at the level of satisfaction. And that's what you will be having a sense of winning. You just not sold your brand, you have sold the brand to the customer based upon their need and based upon their understanding. So next time whenever you are going to meet the customer, whenever you are going to face the customer, do this exercise. You will be going to see good, positive and the happy closing with the customer. And this closing is not only for you, for the customer also. This is the message which you can give to your customer, and this is what the success to the customer also. So remember always that whenever you create one happy customer, that one happy customer may possibly give you some more happy customers. So that is why one negative customer, one sad customer, after giving your solution, if the customer is not happy and satisfied, you will also not feel good, and your customer will not going to help you in terms of giving you more references. He may write for you, he may give you the solution, and that is why he may not give you the more references of the customer, and that may not take your customer to the level of advocacy. And if you really want to take your customer to the level of current level of new customer, to the advocate level of the customer, remember here, keep on talking to the customer at various occasions. Many salesmen, they restricted themselves only to the selling the brand, but there are many occasions. What are their date of birth? What are their marriage anniversaries? What are the important occasions of their life, like Holi, Diwali, or maybe any other celebration in the life? So keep wishing your customer, that's possibly help you and give the sense of feeling to the customer that you are absolutely taking care of the customer. And remember, keep on multiple visit, keep on talking to the customer. That's the key to success. Many people, they sell the brand and they do not even interact with the customer. They just went off from the customer. So remember here, customer may not remember you. So hope this is useful to you. If you found this useful, I would request each and every one of you to please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button and share it with as many people possible. Thank you so much for watching.